it's Brooke with WTI. If you want to make your 4Runner look brand new on the inside, check out these seat covers.
This is coverdream's custom fit seat covers, and they really do fit like a dream. It has a vital hidden airbag cutout, and because these are customized according to the original seats, I can use the buttons and I can even use the heated seat. I love the quality of this. This is really a way to protect your seat and get an upgrade. It has just all those beautiful details, a back pocket. You can open your headrest. You can use your middle console, drink carrier in the center. You can open and close the seats because they are split covered, but you have full coverage all the way around. So all of the chair is protected, even where kids tend to kick in the back. I like how easy this was to put together. I did it all by myself. I was able to pull down and zipper the backs, and then the seats I could just snugly put my hand underneath and pull it down and around without taking the bottom seat off. I was able to secure it very easily, and I appreciate that this quality of material is just, it's breathable because it has this perforated leather cover, but it's also waterproof. So if I spill on it or the kids spill on it, if you have pets, it's really ideal. And since 4Runners really last forever, in my opinion, I love having new interior that makes my 4Runner look just as good as I know my engine looks. So I love everything about this. It even came with a tool to make it easier to get the front two seat covers in place. You can just secure it down the bottom so there's not any exposed part of your original seat. It's all going to be securely hidden, protected from the normal wear and tear. This is so easy to clean and wipe, and it comes out looking new.
We love them, but that's just my point of view.